Ways to escape the 9-to-5 job. You're tired of waking up at 5 a.m. only to go and build someone else's dream. Tired of the traffic, the stress, the orders, the fake smiles. But deep inside, you're not lazy. You're not weak. You're just trapped in a system that was never designed for you to win. So today, we're not here to judge your job. We're here to open your eyes and give you options. This is DreamHeavy Zone, and these are 5 ways to escape the 9-to-5 job without losing your mind or your soul. 1. Start a digital side hustle, even without capital. You don't need an office. You don't need a fancy laptop. All you need is internet, skill, and consistency. Start with what you know. Sell your knowledge as an ebook. Offer services like design, writing, or editing on Fiverr. This won't replace your job overnight, but it plants a seed that will grow into freedom. 2. Learn a high-income skill that works online. Stop wasting hours scrolling. Start learning copywriting, video editing, content creation, yesterday, Xfinus. These skills can earn you anywhere from $500 to $5,000 a month. Not instantly, but eventually. And you don't need a degree. You need hunger, discipline, and a strategy. 3. Build an audience, then monetize it. Choose a platform: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Your audience is your asset. Talk about what you know. Stay consistent, and your people will find you. You don't need millions, you just need the right 1,000 people who trust you. That trust becomes income. 4. Use your job to fund your exit plan. Don't quit your job today. Use your current salary to build your exit. Buy online courses, invest in tools, save and sacrifice for a short season. Freedom is expensive, but it's cheaper when your job helps you pay for it. 5. Don't just work for money, work for legacy. Ask yourself every day, if I died today, what would I leave behind? A salary slip or a system that helps people after I'm gone? DreamHeavy is not just about quitting your job. It's about waking up to your purpose. It's about building something that outlives you. Not everyone can quit right now, but everyone can start preparing to escape. The system wants you tired and trapped, but you were born to build and to break free. This is DreamHeavy Zone. We help hustlers like you escape survival mode and build something that lasts. Get the free guide, Starter Guide How to Hustle with Zero Budget. Go deeper with the full ebook. Subscribe, learn, apply, and remember, don't just dream heavy, build heavy.